Hey everybody, it's Matt Chu from Upright Health. If you have been watching our channel and you want to support us, please, I ask you from the bottom of my heart, please subscribe to the channel so you don't miss out on any future videos. Today, we're going to be talking about knee pain while doing hip stretches. So if you've seen a video that I put up a couple of years ago, it's gotten hundreds of thousands of views. I'll link to it in the description box. It's the frog stretch. It's really helpful for people who have hip pain, but one thing that does come up is people can sometimes get knee pain while they're doing it. So I want to explain what you can do and how you can adjust things so that you don't get so you don't get knee pain when you're doing this stretch. This came up, I wrote it down when I first heard the question in a Healthy Hips workshop. I think it was a year ago at this point, back when we used to be able to see people in person. And it was actually one of our students, Clyde, said, I'm doing the frog stretch. It looks like this. And he was going into the stretch, and then his knee would get tweaky. And so we saw how he was doing it. Let me make a quick adjustment here. We saw how he was doing it, and he was just getting cranked into external rotation of his tibia. So in the video, when I put it online, I mentioned you can try different foot positions, and what he was noticing was it was just killing the knee. And what you need to pay attention to when you're doing hip stretches, whether it's the frog stretch or whether you're doing like a 90-90 stretch, is that if you're creating a ton of tibial external rotation, you may be making the knee hurt. So it's a pretty easy fix. If you're in the frog stretch and you're noticing like, ow, it feels like the inside edge of my knee is going to explode, all you need to do is take something. It could be a book, it could be, for example, an ankle weight, and you can just stick it underneath your heel so that the tibia is allowed to go a little more into internal rotation, and that's going to help reduce that torquing that's happening at the knee joint. That was the simple fix for Clyde. That's a pretty simple fix for most people. If you're doing the 90-90 stretch, which is one that at Upright we've been using a lot of recently, but basically same rules can apply. If you feel like it's just too tweaky on the knee, then throw something underneath. You could use a pad, works fine. You can do that, not a problem. You can use a notebook, right? You just stick a notebook under your heel. This is a totally reasonable solution. So whatever you got can just take you into a little more internal rotation, can help you avoid having that knee pain. So if you're doing the frog stretch, if you're doing the 90-90, whatever other thing you're doing where you're trapping the foot out like that, if you feel that knee pain, little correction, it's all it takes. And over time, of course, if you want to, you can be working to get more comfortable with tibial external rotation. That's fine, but you just don't want it to be so distracting and so painful that it becomes a dangerous stretch and becomes not good for you. So hopefully that helps. If you are looking for ideas to help you train smart at home for your whole body, be sure, by the way, to check out Upright Health, our new thing, Upright Live. It's actually, I don't know how new it is. It's been around for close to a year now. We launched it last year. And if you want to be one of our students, join us for live stream classes. Please check out uprighthealth.com/LIVE. Also have some links down below to our do-it-yourself programs that can help you train your hips. All right, that's it for me today. I'm Matt Chu from Upright Health, reminding you that pain sucks. Life shouldn't.
Get outside, go do something. I would do that right now, but the sky is covered in smoke because California is burning.